Welcome back to channel. If you thought Camp Nou's renovation had slowed down, think again. From rising trusses to unfinished locker rooms, we've captured everything happening as of July 11th. Curious about the Gamper Match plans? Yeah, it's complicated. Let's get into it. Let's start on the ground. Literally, the Gol Sud section has taken a big leap with gray waterproofing paint applied across the base. Workers have prepped most of the concrete layers, and even the primer has gone down. New concrete pillars are going up in the North Gol area, and teams are preparing access points with fencing and safety nets. The countdown to August 10th is real, and everything on the ground level is racing to meet that tight deadline. Now heading up, massive forged beams are being installed between the Gol Sud curve and Danny Pardo's corner. You'll spot trusses being lifted into place, including a huge one added on July 10th. That same day, workers also dropped 2 pre-assembled beams, showing just how fast they're closing the curve structure. The diamond zone is still storing beams, and we're now seeing prefabricated stand pieces arrive. Every crane drop counts, and they're not wasting time. Inside, the 1.5 floor is fully concreted. You can clearly see VIP room layouts now, with slats and divisions already marked. On top of that, new insulation and foam is being installed near the 3rd tier, and elevator shafts are taking shape. The future museum area is also seeing movement, though it's still early days there. This floor is buzzing, and it feels like everything's being prepped to be show-ready, even if not completely finished, for the Gamper Match. The North Gol is finally getting more attention. Panels and safety netting are up, solar panels are being mounted, and formwork boards are being removed to reveal new concrete slabs. Workers are setting up elevator cores and moving beams into place. One corner section even had a surprise double pillar added overnight. The excitement's real here. This area has gone from stalled to high priority in just a few days. Something big is definitely coming together. So what about the Gamper Match? Some seating is clean and polished, but other areas still look rough. Temporary turf has been watered, though nobody's sure if this is the final pitch. Even the official channels have stayed quiet. But what's certain is the push happening all over Camp Nou. From the 3rd tier walls to the VIP rings and the museum foundations. The next 4 weeks will decide everything, and we'll be watching it all, every step of the way. To sum it up, huge movement across all levels. Trusses are up, slabs are sealed, VIP spaces are outlined, and prep for the Gamper Match is underway. Sort of. It's going to be close. Camp Nou isn't finished, but it might just be ready. Subscribe for more updates. We'll keep tracking every beam, seat, and surprise at the new Camp Nou.